Now let's learn for loop in Python. Think about your favorite music playlist. You hit play and the player starts with the first song, then automatically plays the second, then the third until the playlist ends. You don't press play again and again, correct? It just repeats the task for each song. That's exactly how a for loop works in Python. Let's see how. Suppose I want to print numbers 1 to 5 in Python. Without loops, I would have to write this print 1, print 2 till print 5. This works, but what if I want 100 numbers? I don't want to write 100 lines. Just like a playlist handles songs automatically, Python loops handles repetition for us. Before diving into it, let's see the for loop syntax. Here is the general syntax of for loop in Python. Let's break down. For keyword tells Python to start a loop. Variable, a temporary name that changes each time. In, keyword that connects variable to a sequence. Sequence, like a playlist, numbers, list, items or strings which are iteratable. Colon, starts the block of code. Intended code, the action repeated for each time. Okay, now you know the syntax. Let's start with the simplest sequence. Let's say print numbers from 1 to 5. To do that, let's write the for loop. For I in range 1, 6, print I. Range is the function. If you run this code, you will get the numbers from 1 to 5. That's for loop. Now let's try a list. Imagine I have a playlist of 3 songs and I want Python to write each songs one by one. To do that, let's write a for loop. For song in songs, print song. If I run this code, all the songs will be printed. So that's looping through a list. Now let's try a string. If I want to print each letter in the word Python, I will begin with writing for loop. For letter in word, print letter. If I run this code, each letter will be printed one by one. And that's looping through a string.